So let's unpack my Advent Natural Bean. Wow! We have some facial wash. And this one is face cream. So we have hand creams. Oh, we have retinol. Lip balm. We have here foot cream. This is for the bathtub. It's for bathtub again. Oh, this is hair oil. So this is face wash again. Another bathtub balm here for face mask. Another one, face toner. Another bathtub eye serum. Another lip balm. Another face serum again. Shower gel. I think I'm gonna use it kasi ito yung Naturally Bane. It's made for handmade plant-based. And of course, vegan yung products niya. So, it's a healthy. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.